The variety of our products is just an introduction to the offer. With us, you don't have to worry about the details because we have the perfect solution for you. The Eko-Okna benefit contains answers to all your questions, available whenever you need them. This is no ordinary platform. It's a real treasure trove of knowledge for our distributors. A huge technical catalog, industry podcasts full of ideas, product webinars that will change your approach, as well as practical tips and tutorials to help you succeed. Benefit Eko-Okna. The benefit platform has everything you need to conquer the market. Log in today.